Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because we're going through an Amazon Prime Day unboxing extravaganza. Yes, extravaganza. You heard me correctly. During Amazon Prime, I went a little while and pick up a couple of stuff. So without further ado, let's jump in and see what I have. First item on my list is the VILTROX 20 millimeter full frame AF20 1.8. Let's take a quick look at what we have inside. Next item I have on my list is the Aputure Amaran 60D COB daylight LED for video light. So my outfit is outdoor, but for my night shot, I struggle a little bit. So I had to pick up a light to kind of help brighten my face and make the video better in the darker condition. So that was a pretty good deal. Pick that up. Next item I picked up for my new Sony camera is a memory card, 4K UHD, 256 gig. That should be plenty for my videos and photos. Third item on my list, air duster. I've been seeing this little device all over the place, and I've been looking for some type of air blower to kind of Next item I picked up is this Sony SW208 speakers. I currently rely on the speaker of my monitor, which are decent, but I want something with more power so I can rock out this place. Enjoy my work session with some good music, good bass. The next item that I pick up is another lens. This is the VILTROX 13 millimeter 1.4. So a wider lens than the 20 millimeter. And yeah, I'm pretty excited because I've been looking for another wider lens. I can't afford the Sony one. It's about almost 2,000. This one was on sale for about 300. So I had to pick it up. And I'll be testing it shortly. Definitely provide feedback on how good it is or not. Next item on my list is this Govee light strip. I had to pick up some light strip for the office, give a little more life to this office. So they were also on sale for like $30. Pick that up. And the last and final item that I picked up is this boom arm that you can mount on the wall or ceiling. I don't have anything to be able to hang lights or different things like that. So this is probably something that's going to go to the ceiling, and I'm going to be able to use this boom arm to connect my cameras or lighting to be able to do those over the top uh, shots for unboxing. I use arm and another arm that I have to mount on my desk right now, which is not bad. But having something that I can put in the ceiling and be able to have a lot more flexibility to create all kind of different shots will also be excited. So yeah. So this was all the item I picked up. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not that bad. So I didn't win that crazy, but yeah. So that's a wrap on the Amazon Prime unboxing. I got some fantastic new addition to upgrade my tech game, and I can't wait to put them to use. Let me know in the comments which item is your favorite, and if you have any comment or question about a specific one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm pretty new to YouTube, so hey, as many subscribers I can get would definitely help me get further. So I appreciate it. You guys have a good day and see you next time.